Alright guys, it's time to talk about BNB on the channel once again, and also we need to talk about Pancakeswap as well, guys. Apparently there is some news, and what I'm finding on Twitter is that here, I'm not sure who this is, Crypto Simi here. However, let's see how many followers they do have. They do have quite a few followers, but I'm not sure if this is true, why CAKE is pumping, but apparently the recent token burn reduced the supply by about 9 million CAKE. Now, I haven't found anything else that really said that, Pancakeswap had burned some CAKE. Now, I know there was some news a long time ago about them wanting to reduce the supply, but yeah, I'm just not sure, guys. Anyways, also, there was this that I saw, this TST token. They run a test or something on this token, and this BNB just started pumping. So because of this, anyways, I'm not sure what this is yet. Also, but apparently this news and the burn with Pancakeswap has made both of these kind of go parabolic at the same time. And anyways, we need to take a look at BNB probably first, guys. BNB is having a massive day. Now, when you look at this, it's up about 10% on the day. For many cryptos, that's nothing. But, when BNB is up here at $625, 10%, is quite a bit. So we are starting to, make a U-turn basically here. We do have a U. And we have broken above basically the last 5 days of trading. I don't know if we're going to get up to 645 today. Probably not, guys. I would just be happy if we broke above this $600, basically 609. Now this is really heavy resistance and support. I just want to say around here at about 608, 606. This whole area, we seem to get rejected a lot, or we hold this as support a lot. Let's just go back in the history, guys. You can look at this, and yeah, just look at all this trading that hit this 600, 607, 608 area, and got rejected every time, guys. Now here we had a big pump. We broke all-time high, and only came down to get rejected many more times in this area. So this is really good that we've broken this for now. You can see that here was some support, and yeah, I mean, if you picked it up down here at like, what is this, $500 flat, guys, amazing pickup. I wish I had more money to pick up more BNB. I have enough myself personally. I am basically changing some of the tokens that I think I have enough in, that I'm staking, and I'll turn it into BNB. So it's small bits of BNB I get every day, but I have enough, guys. Personally, I have 10 BNB. My wife has 1, so I'm happy, guys. Now, I do think BNB, if you want to be safe, this is one of the safer tokens to invest in. It is also one of the more profitable ones to invest in, because if you hold BNB on Binance, guys, you're going to get a lot of money in return. Basically, I have made about $3,000 just from airdrops, launch pools, and mega drops. So in just a little bit more than a year, and that's about 14 months, guys. So basically, I think almost everything that I put in the BNB and a little bit more, it's paid me back, honestly. If I wanted to change all that into cash and spend it, then basically my BNB would be for free. But I always take these free tokens and I sell them, and then I buy something better, guys, or I buy something that is proven. So BNB pays you to buy it, guys. I don't think you can get any better token. If you think about Ethereum, Solana, there is no better token that pays you than BNB, honestly. Anyways, guys, next resistance here for BNB is about $645. Again, this is probably a pretty tough level to break. You can see it was, resistance here, support here, support here, support here, support, and then we finally broke down. So yeah, guys, it was support for a long time, this $645 mark. So I don't think this is going to be too easy to break through. But anyways, let's just be happy if we seal a candle, over the 608 mark or so. And right now it looks like we're going to do that. We don't have much longer. Actually, we have about an hour and 40 minutes before the next day, comes. So it looks like the daily candle is going to be sealed here above this line. And it would be nice to seal it really above about 618 so we can take out, these days of trading. Now, this was a mega bullish candle. Even though it was red, it was just slightly red, where I was talking about the $500 dip there. That's a mega bullish candle, guys. I mean, but many of the candles were like that on that day. For example, Ethereum went down to 2100 and had a mega bullish candle. Now, taking a look at Pancakeswap, guys, it's having a rough time. It's all the way back down to the bottom pit of this, Fibonacci level, guys. I mean, we have a long way to go to get out of here. And we have not been out of this level since January of 2022. So this is going on 3 years, 1 month, basically. And yeah, every time we get up to this area here, about let's just say 480, let's just say, $5, doesn't matter. $4.80 to $5, we get rejected, guys. So not looking good for Pancakeswap, although it is one of my bigger holds. I do believe Pancakeswap in the end will prevail, guys. Let's just see what happens. Right now, it looks like if we zoom in here, we're fighting $1.79 at the moment, and we got to break through that. And yeah, I mean, that's the next level. So let's see, guys. We got to bounce basically off $1, let's say 10. Although it does say $1.09 here was, support. I think we came within about a penny there, maybe 2 pennies. So yeah, getting a nice bounce for the weekly candle. And let's see if we can break through this tonight. If not, by tomorrow, because this is a weekly time frame resistance, just would be nice to seal a candle over that. Now, let's see. I think, if we can get above about $2.17, we're going to take out a lot of, where we've been for quite some time, basically since April. That would be the next level or next step to really take out. But yeah, we have a long way to go, guys. Really a long way to go. So let's just see what happens. Hopefully, this was really, really great news that will propel Pancakeswap, much further. Now I want to go over Pancakeswap tokenomics here. There is only 450 million max supply, guys. So circulating, you only have 290 million here. What's been created is almost 380. So yeah, this is actually a really, really low supply, guys. Really low. Now, all-time high was almost $44. You're at 96% down on this project. So this is actually a project that, if you're looking to take, a risk a little bit, yeah, I mean, I think this is an excellent project personally. You can see my holdings here. I am down. I have a loss. I'm not sure this is 100% correct, 227, but I think I bought a load down at like $1, guys, or close to $1. Not, maybe about a year or something ago. But anyways, guys, doesn't really matter where I bought it. I still think $1.73 is a steal. It's something that I could maybe think about throwing a little bit more money in, getting a little bit more. Just have to, wait and see what happens to this pump. Now, taking a look at Bitcoin, kind of went sideways here, guys. It is struggling with this level here at about $97,000. We are getting rejected the past 3 days. And yeah, we have a slightly red candle for the third time today. But this day isn't over, guys. So let's see what happens. It is a weekend. So we are creating a CME gap to the downside, which is actually better than creating it to the upside. And yeah, we do have, I think, still a CME gap somewhere up around like 104. I think up here, guys. But anyways, yeah, we are still basically going sideways. I have left this box here so you can just basically see we have done nothing since about, what, middle of November, and still everybody is freaking out. I have no idea why. Now, taking a look at Ethereum, guys, I just want to show you this. Basically, inverse head and shoulders here. You know, it's amazing that this little line that I drew is kind of holding up this Ethereum price at the moment. It's kind of funny, but I think I just drew this yesterday, so I drew it right under this. So, yeah, let's see if my squiggly line here can hold up Ethereum. If it does, maybe we have a shot at the inverse head and shoulder still. You know, I know this is an ugly wick to the downside, but it wasn't a closing candle. And, you know, the shoulder isn't lower than the head. So can it be an inverse head and shoulders? I don't know. I think it's possible. I mean, we have to see. Now, the target, like I said, would be up here at about 5,300, 400. I know that previously I had measured this up around 6,000, but I think I took it from over here. I just kind of considered this the neckline. So doesn't really matter. Let's just be conservative and say, you know, 5,400. Now, taking a look at the total market cap, guys, basically, you know, still, you know, fighting resistance here, basically. If we would draw a line, you know, we still got to break through this. And, you know, we did get a little bit of a pump about 4 hours ago, coming back down a little bit now. But, yeah, overall, you know, still not horrible. We're still at 3.1 trillion. You know, and I mean, our top was up here at what, 3.64 or so, you know, on a closing candle basis. So we're not actually too far down, but it could be better, of course. Now, taking a look at the total market cap excluding Bitcoin, pretty much similar. We do have this kind of resistance again, but we are kind of breaking through it. So maybe it is slightly better excluding Bitcoin. Now, I think the dominance of Bitcoin is going down a little bit. So yeah, we are actually seeing kind of an M pattern right now. If we do break, let's see, let me put a little trend line. I know it's not a trend, but let's just put a line here, guys. And I'm going to leave it like that. It may not be perfect, but who cares? If we break below this line, this is an M pattern, guys. So basically, you know, that signals we're going to go down further. I think I'm not a professional, you know, with all of these patterns or whatever, but I think it's from the top of the M basically down to the bottom, and if we move that, the target would be down here at about 61.13. Still, we're still awfully high, but you're going to see altcoins go up a little bit if we can do that. So let's see what happens here. Let me just move this over so I don't block the view of this candle here. There's still 2.5 hours on this candle, so be aware of that. Now, taking a look at the altcoin season index, was a 39 last time we looked, but if we refresh this, it's a 41. So yeah, guys, it's getting slightly better. Like I said, dominance is, you know, coming down a little bit. Now, fear and greed, yesterday, let's see, let me update this again. Yeah, it was a 44 yesterday. That's what I thought. That's why I refreshed it, because, yeah, it was 44 yesterday, 44 today. So it's the same, going sideways pretty much, guys. Now, taking a look at crypto bubbles, it's looking better, guys. Only a few projects here are in the red, so that's pretty nice to see. But anyways, guys, if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, become a member, share this video with your friends, and I'll see you guys in the next one.